Hey guys! If you're a beginner, don't miss this video because I want to introduce 4 very attractive animations suitable for your level. So, let's go to the first one called Angry Birds. Angry Birds is a great animation for learning everyday English phrases or sentences. The animated story takes place on an island full of happy birds that live peacefully together. But when the mysterious green pigs come to Mayan Island, 3 birds named Red, Chalk, and Bun must find out what the pigs are looking for on that island. Our next animation is called Tangled. In this animation, many useful phrases and words are used, and you can find different grammatical structures. Both main characters are not part of ordinary society, and therefore their pronunciation is more understandable for beginner level. This animation is the story of a princess who is captured in her own castle. Suddenly, this beautiful princess, who has very long hair, falls in love with a boy who is a thief, and the only way to reach this boy is to escape from the palace. The next animation is Despicable Me. You must have seen these cute and lovable minions in cyberspace. This animation is so funny, and while creating nice moments for you, it also helps you keep the sentences in mind. Very good words are used in this animation, and this helps you increase your vocabulary knowledge. The story of this animation is about a criminal group who commit great thefts together and one day decide to steal the moon with the help of their minions. The next animation is called Ice Age. Ice Age is an animation produced by 20th Fox Century in 2002. And was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Animation. This fascinating animation is full of adventure and makes language learning more exciting for you. Great words are used in this animation that can improve your vocabulary range. The story of this animation is that during the Ice Age, a lazy and fairy mammoth and a sword-toothed tiger find a human child and decide to return her to her family. You can easily find these videos in the Zoom section of Zabanshenas application. Inside the app, you can slow down the movie to understand the conversations better. And you can see Persian and English subtitle at the same time. So what are you waiting for? Now you tell us your favorite movies or animations.